Hello friends, I am Abhilash Matthew. Welcome to Brilliance Academy. Today we will discuss about an adjective and how do you use an adjective in sentence. Okay, before going to start this topic, I would like to explain what is an adjective. Look at the board. An adjective is a word used with a noun or pronoun to add something for its meaning. It means adjective give more information about noun and pronoun. Okay, look at the example so that you can easily understand it. The first example, Ravi is a brilliant student. Here we can see Ravi is the noun. It is modified by using the adjective of brilliant. Okay, it is an adjective of quality. Okay, we can ask the question, what kind of person is Ravi? Or what kind of student Ravi is? Okay, what kind of student? Ravi is a brilliant student. Okay, adjective of quality asks the question of what kind person he is or what kind of thing it is. It means it answers the question what kind of. Okay, here Ravi is modified by using the adjective of brilliant. So it is an adjective. Look at the second example. She brought 3 mangoes. Here mango is the noun. It is modified by using the adjective of 3. It is an adjective of number. Adjective of number answer the question how many. Okay, adjective of number answer the question how many. Here we can see she brought 3 mangoes. Okay, how many mangoes she brought? 3 mangoes. Here 3 is modified the noun of mangoes. Okay, next example. I ate some rice. Rice is the noun and adjective is some. It is an adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity asks how much. Okay, how much rice? I ate some rice. Okay, here some is the adjective. It modifies the noun of rice. Look at the board. We can see one noun on the board. Mango is the noun. Would you modify this noun by using some adjectives? I have all written some adjectives on the board. Look at the board. Raw, rich, sweet, small, big, old, new, yellow, red, green, juicy, and delicious. These are the adjectives I have written on the board. Okay, by using these adjectives, we can modify the noun of mango. Okay, look at the first sentence. I can say, mangoes are red. I can say, mangoes are delicious. I can say, I purchased some big mangoes. I can say, the mangoes are sweet. The mango is juicy. In this way, we can modify the noun by using the adjectives. So try to learn many adjectives, as many as you can. Next, we can see how to use adjectives in sentences. Adjectives can be used in 2 ways. First is attributive or prepositive adjectives. Here, adjective is used along with the noun. It is called attributive or prepositive adjectives. Look at the example. The lazy boy was punished. Here the noun is boy. It is modified by using the adjective of lazy. Here, adjective is we used along with the noun. It means before the noun. This type of adjective is called attributive or prepositive adjective. prepositive. Before the noun, we using the adjective. Okay, look at the second example. The foolish men try to sing. Men is the noun. Okay, the men is the noun. It is modified by using the adjective of foolish. Here, adjective comes before the noun. Adjective comes before the noun. It is also called attributive or prepositive adjectives. Okay, it means prepositive adjectives are the adjectives which comes before the noun or along with the noun. Look at the next example. There is little time for preparation. Time is the noun. It is modified by using the little. In the previous video, I had explained the uses of little, a little and the little. Little has a negative meaning. Okay, it has a negative meaning. It means not enough. The sentence, there is little time for preparation means not enough time for preparation. Okay, little is the adjective. It is modified the noun of time. Here, before the noun, we use the adjective. So, it is called attributive or prepositive adjectives. We use adjective before the noun. So, it is called prepositive. Look at the second way to use adjective in sentence. Second way is predicative or predicate adjectives. Here, adjectives used with linking verbs. Adjectives used with linking verbs, not with the noun. Okay, linking verbs are here. The be form or base form of the verb is, am, are, was and were. Look at the example so that you can easily understand it. The boy was lazy. Boy was lazy. Here the noun is boy and adjective is lazy. Here adjective we used with the linking verb. It was is the linking verb. Okay, here adjective we used with the linking verb. In the first we had seen adjective we used with the noun. So that is called attributive or predicative adjectives. Here adjective we used with the linking verb. Here linking verb act as a connector between subject and adjective. Here linking verb of was, work or act as a connector between subject and adjective. Okay, so was is the linking verb. It acts as a connector, okay, between subject and here object. Object here is lazy. Okay, it is an adjective. Okay, second example. He is foolish. He is the noun. It is a pronoun. And foolish is the adjective. Foolish is the adjective. Here is the linking verb. Here is connect between subject and adjective. Here we can see adjective is used with the linking verb. Before the adjective we use linking verb. Here adjective is used along with the linking verb. So this types of adjectives are called predicative or predicate adjectives. So look here, when subject complement is an adjective, listen carefully, when subject complement is an adjective, it is called predicative or predicative adjectives. Okay, when subject complement, okay, complement it completes sense. If I say he is, it does not make any sense. But I say he is foolish. Okay, here foolish is work as a complement. It completes the sentence. Okay, so when subject complement is an adjective, it is called predicative or predicate adjective. Okay, when subject complement is an adjective. Okay, it is called predicative or predicate adjectives. Okay, look at the next example. Anil is a doctor. Here we can see Anil is the noun and doctor is also noun. Okay, here we can see two nouns are here in the sentence. But the subject here, Anil, is modified by using the noun. Okay, here this doctor, this noun is act as an adjective. Okay, here doctor, it act as an adjective. Here we can see when subject complement is a noun, it is said to be predicative nominative. Predicate nominative. Okay, here we can see here a doctor or doctor is used with the linking verb. Okay, here noun is act as an adjective. Okay, it completes the meaning. Okay, Anil is a doctor. Here the noun used with the linking verb. So when a subject complement is a noun, it is called predicate nominative. Look at the last example. He is a teacher. It is also noun. Or he is a singer. It is also noun. Here he is the pronoun. Okay. Here teacher is a noun. It is act as an adjective. Okay. Here teacher is a noun. It act as an adjective. So what we can say it is a predicative nominative. Okay, when a subject complement is a noun, it is called a predicative nominative. The first we have seen here. Let me repeat the points again. Adjectives can be used in two ways. First is attributive or prepositive adjectives. It means when adjective is used before the noun, it is called attributive or prepositive adjectives. And second, we can say predicative or predicate adjectives. It means when adjective is used along with the linking verb, it is called predicative or predicate adjectives. The next example we had seen, sometimes nouns, it act as an adjective or subject complement. So we can see here, Anil is a doctor. Here doctor is a noun, but here this is a subject complement. It act as an adjective. Okay, here noun act as an adjective. When subject complement is a noun, it is called predicate nominative. If you like my video, please like and subscribe it. I will come soon with my new video.